Getting mighty wild out here, TikTok family. I don't hear the thunder, but I see that lightning. Look at that big dark spot in the middle. What is that? That's crazy, huh? It looked like an alien in the sky. What is that? I do not know what that is. Look, it's dark though. We might be catching something supernatural on video. Look at all the lightning though. What is that? With the naked eye, all I see is clouds. Rain coming. That's crazy, man. What is it? Is it just the dust? I don't know, but it's dark, like big old giant walking back there, huh? I set this for 3 minutes. Let's see what we could get in 3 minutes. Look at even this. The lightning isn't shining through it. Whatever it is, that lightning's staying right on it, because it's not coming around me or nothing. That must be a big storm. Man, that looks awesome. You notice how the lightning's just hitting right in the same place, area. Look at that darkness, the light's not going through it.